Hello everyone, Sydney Trains and New South Wales Training Channel speaking to you, and here I have something pretty special for you, the mock-up of the new Sydney Metro train at the Sydney Royal Easter Show for 2016. This is one of the mock-ups for the Sydney Metro Northwest trains. On the Esto you can just see Hello Sydney, yep, up there. Those lights are quite awesome. Coupler down there, logo. Now this is what you call a work of art. This is amazing. I'll walk up to the front of the train. So here's the emergency exit door or some ramp, and you can actually clearly see out the front because there's no driver, as you might be able to tell. This looks to be like a car number 0104, as you can see. An Austin 2015 builder's plate. Seats. They fold down. Let's not forget the interior destination boards. It says Rouse Hill. They've even got the map here. Start Chatswood and go north by Macquarie Hospital, Macquarie University, Epping, Cherrybrook, Castle Hill, Showground Northwest, Bella Vista, Kellyville, Rouse Hill and Cutchagong Road. Wheelchair spots here. Green door lights, which indicate that it's open. The doors are open, which they are. And here's the outside of it. You can see the red light up there indicates that the door is closed. And there's a mirror at the back there, which you can't see. But yeah. And here's what my experience is. There we go. And here's the model that you saw in video tour 103. You can't really see it well, but oh well. So the destination says Rouse Hill on the Desto, as you can see. And here is what it is inside the model. You can see the seats there. And yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if it was not too thorough. So yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I will see you all next time. Goodbye for now.